With Canva, educators can use graphic organizers to capture their students' thinking visually. Graphic organizers allow for customization, making it easy to adapt content to different learning needs. Visual thinking is a meaningful step in the learning process across grades and contents. With visual thinking tools like graphic organizers, Canva helps students organize ideas and make connections between complex concepts. And share graphic organizers with colleagues and support staff, which enables cross-learning opportunities for students. Creation, customization, and sharing is in alignment with ISTE Educator Standard 4, Collaborator. From the search bar, preview graphic organizer templates. Select a template to start editing. From the editor, designs can easily be shared with colleagues. Teachers can collaborate simultaneously on designs and customize any element of the design. Alternatively, start from scratch with a blank design, like a worksheet. In the editor, you can use Canva's tools to create your own unique graphic organizer design. Add and customize text and shape elements to create the perfect organizer. With Canva, educators can select and share graphic organizers, supporting students with diverse needs across grades and content. Capture student thinking with Canva.